Hello guys, welcome back to Opt for Organic. In this video, I am going to share a very simple yet effective ways of using fenugreek seeds, also known as methi dana in Hindi, to treat all your hair related issues such as dandruff or premature graying or hair fall or rough and dry hair. Fenugreek seeds are extremely beneficial for our overall health, skin and hair. The benefits of fenugreek seeds are mentioned in details in the description box below if you want to know about them. In this video, first we will be making fenugreek miracle hair serum, and then with the residue left, we will be making fenugreek hair revitalizing scalp mask. So let's begin. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon first. This recipe requires overnight soaked fenugreek seeds and its water, 2 to 3 branches of fresh curry leaves, 2 to 3 guava leaves, curd, aloe vera gel, and rosemary essential oil. Apply this hair mask once a week and you can apply this hair serum on daily basis too. Washing your hair after using this fenugreek hair serum is optional, but be careful as it stains your clothes badly. Try them and let me know about your hair transformation stories. I am eager to hear from you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.